Hello students, today I am going to teach you determination of molar mass by using ideal gas equation. In previous lecture, we had seen ideal gas equation, that is PV is equals to nRT. Then combined gas equation is P1 V1 upon T1 is equals to P2 V2 upon T2, and some R values in different units. So determination of molar mass from the ideal gas equation. Then first you have to write ideal gas equation is PV is equals to nRT. PV is equals to nRT. Then rearrange this equation, we get N value. N means number of moles. N is equals to PV upon RT. N is equals to PV upon RT. This is equation 1. And as you know, the definition of number of moles is the ratio of given mass upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass of given compound. So N is equals to small m upon capital M. Capital M is molar mass and small m is given mass. This is equation 2. Then comparing equation 1 and 2, we get comparing equation 1 and 2, we get this N and N, LHS are equal, so we can put the values of RHS are equal. So M upon small m upon capital M is equals to PV upon RT. PV upon RT. Then M is equals to capital M is equals to this MRT, small m into RT upon PV. Upon PV, and this is the equation for molar mass of given compound by using molar mass of given compound by using ideal gas equation. Okay, then next topic is relationship between molar mass, density and pressure. I will repeat this again. First, PV is equals to nRT. Then N is equals to, rearrange this equation, N is equals to PV upon RT. But as you know, N is equals to, N means number of moles is equals to given mass upon molar mass. So N is equals to small m upon capital M. And then these comparing 1 and 2 equation, we get small m upon M is equals to PV upon RT. And then we can write M is equals to MRT upon PV. Okay, then we'll see next topic, that is relationship between molar mass, density and pressure. Molar mass, density and pressure. Ideal gas equation is PV is equals to nRT. Then rearrange the equation, N upon V is equals to आएगा P upon RT. N upon V is equals to P upon RT. This is equation 1, but N is equals to small m upon capital M. N is equals to small m upon capital M. Put this value in equation 1, we get m upon capital M into V, this way, value of n, we are putting value of n, that is m upon m in this equation. So instead of n, we are putting m upon m into V is equals to P upon RT. P upon RT. This is equation 2. But density, what is the formula for density? Density is the mass per unit volume, and we have mass per unit volume. So D is equals to m upon V. Put this value in equation. Put this value in equation 2. We get D upon capital M is equals to D upon capital M is equals to P upon RT. D upon capital M is equals to P upon RT, and therefore M is equals to DRT upon M. DRT upon P. Capital M, that is molar mass, is equals to DRT upon M. P, and this is the relationship between molar mass, density and pressure. Okay, so from this we can write molar mass M is directly proportional to D. Molar mass is directly proportional to density. Okay, so we can derive this equation from ideal gas equation as well as from Boyle's law. From Boyle's law also we can derive this equation. M is directly proportional to D, or P is directly proportional to D. Okay, so molar mass is directly proportional to density, and molar mass pressure is directly proportional to density. Okay student, goodbye.